to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to integrate Calendly with your Zoom. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to integrate your Calendly with your Zoom, first of all you need to log in into your Calendly account. We're going to calendly.com. Once you're in your calendly.com, you can simply tap on sign up with Google or simply log in into your account. So if you are a first time user, then you can find this option called how would you like to meet people. There you can select Zoom and then tap on connect to Zoom. Once you have done this, you will be redirected to the integration and apps where you need to simply log in into your Zoom account. Now, once you're logged in into your Zoom as well, you need to simply follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and click authorize to grant Calendly access to your Zoom account. So you can set Zoom as the location for an event type and you can simply integrate your works completely. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.